I'm going to be showing you how to fix suspended Facebook Marketplace account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is check the suspension reason. So you just need to open your Facebook app first. As you can see, it's right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And after you're here, you just need to tap on your profile picture. Just tap at the bottom right, and then you need to find this option that says help and support. After you tap here, you need to tap on the support box right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and then you just need to look for notifications about suspension. So you have these options here of activity here. So if you've been suspended, you'll see a reason why you have been, and then you just need to remove violating listings. So if the suspension is due to prohibited items, that could be counterfeit items, weapons, drugs, or restricted products, then you need to go to your listings in Marketplace. Just go back, just tap on Marketplace and tap on this option that says sell, and then you need to tap on your listing. So just select a listing that violated the rules and you just need to delete it. And you need to avoid relisting restricted items. Then after that, you can just submit an appeal. So you need to fill out a form with your Facebook account details, a clear explanation and evidence. And that's all you really need to do. So that's how you fix suspended Facebook Marketplace account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.